Kumusta kabayan? Sawa ka na ba magtrabaho sa abroad at gusto mo makasama ang iyong pamilya? Nais ko ibahagi sa iyo itong magandang opportunity na nahanap ko. Ako ay si Adela, may asawa, 3 ang mga anak, ngayon nanirahan na sa Australia. Ako ay may-ari ng digital business. Noong una kaming dumating sa Australia, mahirap makapaghanap ng trabaho na inline sa profesyon natin. Kasi kailangan pa mag-qualify sa standard nila. Wala naman kaming pera pang gasto sa schooling. So, nag-decide kami mag-asawa na maghanap na lang ng trabaho kahit ano. And so, I was looking for a job one day and I made query as well with the daycare. And it turned out na naku, ang mahal pala ng bayaran ng daycare facility. Mas malaki pa ang gastusin namin doon kaysa kikitain ko pag ako'y magtrabaho. So, nag-decide na lang ang asawa ko na siya na lang daw magtrabaho. 2 lang daw ang maghanap siya ng part-time job. So, he preferred to work night shift kasi may night loading. Malaki-laki ang iuwi. Naawa nga ako kasi na pagod-pagod ang itsura. Tsaka I'm very concerned with his health. And sabi niya, kunting tiis lang muna kasi mag-ipon pa para sa education ng mga anak namin. Mahirap talaga ang buhay abroad. That's why I was looking for an alternative ways to supplement my family's income. I was browsing doon sa newsfeed. May nakita akong video ad similar to what you are watching now. It was a free webinar offering on how to set up your own digital business. I was skeptical at the start kasi hindi naman ako marunong magpatakbo ng negosyo sa online, tsaka I'm not tech savvy. Ba naakit ako sa istorya ng mag-asawa kasi ang bata pa nila, nakapag-retire na sila sa full-time job nila, nakabayad sila sa lahat nila nga utang, tsaka nakatulong sila sa parents nila in their golden years. Those are my dreams as well, na makatulong sa pamilya doon sa Pilipinas. I was looking this opportunity and I did not waste time. I took action. I registered my name and email address and watched the webinar, and I found it out that it was a legit business. It's a business owner community na they will help you how to set up your own digital business. You just have to follow step by step, and they provide you as well a mentor and a coach. And what I like with this business is the power of automation kasi it's operational 24/7. This time, I'm very happy now because almost malapit na ma-realize ang aming mga goals. And malapit na mag-retire itong asawa ko. Ayoko naman magtrabaho siya hanggang 70s. I wanna enjoy life with him now. Lalo na malalaki na ang mga anak. So, pwede na kami makapagbiyahe sa Pilipinas na hindi na masyado alanganin sa pera. And it's very good if you really wanna change your life and you wanna make your dreams come true. Take action today. Register your name, your email address in the link provided, and you will see how thousands of people change their lives for the better. So kabayan, take action. Register in the link, watch the webinar, and I'll send you all the information on how to set up your own business. Salamat sa pagpanood, and then I hope to see you in the inside. Bye now!